AI is rewriting the rules. Again. This time, the numbers say it loud and clear. Over half of global VC funding in Q1 went to AI. That's 53%, a staggering share that signals more than hype. It points to structural shifts, to real-world bets on how work, interaction, and intelligence itself are evolving. And leading the charge? A new wave of agentic AI systems, tools that don't just assist but take initiative. Let's start with Google's latest experiment, which moves multimodal AI into truly interactive territory. The company is piloting what it calls Live for AI mode, a feature that lets users interact with AI in real time using voice and camera, combined with Google Lens for visual input. This isn't just smart replies or image tagging, it's a window into live contextual computing. The move positions Google alongside Project Astra and Gemini Live in a race to define what seamless human-AI collaboration can actually feel like. Here's the shift. AI is no longer something you query, it's something you engage with. While Google goes experimental, Microsoft is bringing AI into the everyday. The launch of new Copilot Plus Surface laptops and tablets, starting at just $799, is a clear signal. AI productivity tools are going mainstream. Powered by Snapdragon X Plus chips and preloaded with Copilot Plus features, these devices are aimed at students and early career professionals. The bigger play? Challenging Apple's stronghold in the entry-level device market. The signal here is affordability meets capability, AI as a default, not a premium. Now, while platforms roll out features, the foundations are under scrutiny. OpenAI has responded to growing criticism and regulatory attention by reaffirming that its nonprofit will retain control, now set to be the largest shareholder in its new public benefit corporation. It's a rare reversal, but a revealing one. With the spotlight intensifying on governance, transparency, and long-term mission alignment, this move suggests that even the most powerful AI labs are being pulled back toward accountability. And that's not the only institutional shift. The United Nations has officially entered the AI governance arena. The CSTD working group just convened for the first time, marking the beginning of a global push to embed data governance into the fabric of the Global Digital Compact. This isn't just policy talk, it's the beginning of structured international frameworks for data ethics, sovereignty, and public good infrastructure. In the enterprise world, new partnerships are also reshaping how analytics works at scale. Amplitude has inked a strategic agreement with AWS to co-build customer experience solutions. Their goal? Optimize digital journeys, increase engagement, and push analytics deeper into cloud-native environments. It's another step in the merging of cloud infrastructure and behavioral intelligence, two engines driving modern business. Databricks is turning heads too, but this time with SQL. It just added full scripting support to its platform, introducing loops, control flow, and procedural logic directly into its analytics environment. For SQL-first analysts, this is a big unlock. It bridges the gap between power users and scalable data workflows, without forcing a switch to another language. And speaking of scaling intelligence, Neo4j is doubling down on accessibility. The company just launched Aura Graph Analytics, designed to work with major platforms like Oracle, Snowflake, and Databricks. But it didn't stop there. Neo4j is now offering full support across all major cloud data warehouses, including BigQuery. The impact? Graph-powered insights everywhere. No more silos, no more platform lock-ins. Meanwhile, over in the Asia-Pacific region, Huawei Cloud is accelerating AI adoption at the ecosystem level. At the APAC Partner Summit in Thailand, it announced a threefold increase in its market development fund and launched the Industry Deep Dive Initiative. With 50 new AI industry solutions in the pipeline, this is more than a regional play. It's a statement that AI infrastructure development is going global fast. Another step toward frictionless transformation, Qlik just dropped a free analytics migration tool to help enterprises move from legacy QlikView and end printing systems to Qlik Cloud. It's a smart move, removing technical and financial barriers to cloud adoption while locking in users on their modern platform. And in the agentic category, one debut stands out. Reactor Data has launched Electron, an AI copilot designed to help analysts build mapping logic across data systems through natural conversation. Think of it as semantic modeling, accelerated, where AI listens, understands, and helps deploy data workflows without manual scripting. Finally, a big splash in AI native development. Anysphere has raised a stunning $900 million, pushing its valuation to $9 billion. Its coding tool, Cursor, already helps engineers at OpenAI, Stripe, and Spotify churn out nearly a billion lines of code per day. That's not a typo. This changes things. Developer productivity isn't just being assisted, it's being redefined. So what do we take from today's landscape? Real-time interaction is redefining user interfaces. Affordable hardware is democratizing access. Governance is rising to meet innovation. And agents, both human and artificial, are being empowered like never before. The pace is relentless, the stakes are rising, and the ground under enterprise AI keeps shifting. That's your 5-minute download. Stay curious, stay sharp, and if you've got a take on these trends, hit reply or pass it on. Let's keep decoding the future together.